So we're here today at the AA in Oldbury. That's the first stop on EV Rally 2024. And throughout the week, we'll be travelling through different checkpoints, different stopping off points, and ending up on Friday at the Zero Emission Rug Estate. A through to Z, we'll be covering those letters of the alphabet, and then we'll go on to the final finish line in Chester. We've got two vehicles. We've got the LF Electric. It's a tried and trusted vehicle. It of course completed last year's EV Rally without a hiccup, so we're pretty confident we should be able to do the same this year. But this year, as a bit of a twist to what you'd expect for a truck manufacturer, we've actually got a van. But the van is of course electric, zero emissions, and it's one of a number that are joining our fleet of parts and service vehicles around the DAF dealer network, and it really exemplifies how the dealer network is not only investing in supporting the trucks that we sell, but also in committing their own businesses towards that journey towards zero emissions and better environmental benefits. We've headed up north, we had a stop in Liverpool, and now we've had a special stop at Leyland Trucks. In the heart of Lancashire, Leyland Trucks is of course DAF's UK manufacturing plant for the entire range of DAF products, and most importantly it's the home of the DAF LF. The LF Electric that we're driving around the EV Rally this week was born here, it was developed here, and it's great to have it home here as well. We've also got the very last LF to roll off the production line here in 2023, and all of the staff here at Leyland involved in the LF project have signed that vehicle. It's a really unique vehicle, and it sits alongside the new XB Electric, which will go into production very soon, and we'll start to see those on the road as well. So we've covered around about 130 miles. That's easily within the range of the LF Electric, but we're taking the opportunity to charge the batteries. That'll take us about an hour, and then we're heading off north, and we're going to go through the Lake District, stopping off at the Beefer Bowness, then we go to Cockermouth, and then we're going to finish the day at Carlisle. We'll have an overnight stop before heading off into Scotland and around and across to the northeast of England, and our first stop tomorrow will be Gretna Green.
We've come from Sheffield this morning. We had quite an early start today. Last sort of 2 or 3 hours we've made our way down to Norwich, and we've arrived at one of our dealerships, which is Ford & Slater of Norwich, to make use of the fantastic Packard chargers. So Ford & Slater as a dealer group have been investing quite a lot of money into preparing their sites for electric vehicles. So this one here at Norwich is capable of up to 180 kilowatts DC charging, which is really good. The EV Rally so far has been absolutely terrific. We've had an absolutely faultless truck with the LF. It's been superb. It's really nice to drive. The power's really progressive and smooth, and it's been a real joy to take it all around the country. And it's actually really confidence inspiring, you know, popping the vehicles on charge, having a quick break, and then taking the vehicles for another hour or two down the road. It's been really good to actually understand and learn more about the electric trucks and their capabilities. We've faced a couple of challenges. So often we've found what we think is going to be a really good charger. We pulled up on site and there's things like canopies and width restrictions and weight restrictions facing us. But for the most part, we've been able to access a lot of charging across the UK, and it's been really good.
We've been travelling across to Cambridge, which is our final destination for the day. So the vehicles have performed faultlessly on the rally so far. And the truck has just completed its 26,000 mile mark. This is its second EV rally, having competed in the 5 Capitals Challenge last year in 2023. And it's also one of the ex-Bet Trial trucks, so it's actually performed for 18 months on the Bet Trial. The trucks always have a slightly harder time of it than the cars and the vans, because obviously we're a little bit slower at 56 miles an hour limited. And we can sometimes have some access problems with some of the smaller, like single track roads and things like that. But overall, I think we're having a great experience, and everyone's happy with the way the truck and the van are performing. The team are going back to the hotel now for a well-earned pint and a bit of rest. We're going to be ready for day 4 on our way down from Cambridge to Exeter, where we finish the end of day 4 tomorrow.
So here we are at the end of the EV Rally 2024. We set off of course on Monday from the AA in Oldbury, and today we've travelled up through the Welsh border, stopping off in Hay-on-Wye, and now we're in Chester.
Lewis Jones here. I've joined DAF 4 weeks ago as EV and Connected Services Director, and over the last 2 days I've spent my time with these two wonderful vehicles behind me as part of the EV Rally 2024.
My name's Richard Warner. I work in the parts marketing team at DAF Trucks head office in Haddenham. I passed my HGV licence in March of this year, so this is the first time I've been able to make use of the licence. I've driven over the last 2 days around 300 miles. Found it quite tiring, but quite enjoyable.
So as you can see, our current generation of DAF electric truck has performed faultlessly on this rally, and that leads us nicely into the products coming towards the end of the year as we see the introduction of the XB, the replacement for the LF, and of course the new generation XD and XF models available in Q1 of next year.
So that's it for EV Rally 2024. We've done it almost 1,400 zero emission miles around the UK in our truck and our van. Real success. We've had a great time and we've proved the capabilities of electric vehicles, but also highlighted the challenges of charging those big trucks when you're out on the road. But a tremendous success, great fun. It's over and out from Chester.